AI is so good at coding now, is there any point in learning to code? A lot of people say no. I completely disagree. I learned to code in the 1980s as a 10-year-old, and by the time I left school, I'd been coding for 6 years. I then went on to do an undergraduate diploma in computer science, a degree in software engineering, on to work with the literal pioneers of the UK software industry. I then became a chartered information systems engineer. Life is not linear. I had to take a break from that career and look after someone who was suffering hallucinations and delusions and was often hospitalised. During that time, I got deeply into philosophy of mind and psychology and sociology and ethics and anything really that would help me understand what was going on. When I returned to my career, it was with a newfound sense of how things impact people in the world. So quality of experience was really important to me now, and that meant I ended up testing information systems and ensuring that the impact the information system was having was the right one, not the wrong one. And my technical testing led me to experience some of the most complex systems imaginable, massive national scale endeavours, huge corporate multinational redevelopment efforts. Information systems these days are so complex, they may as well be non-deterministic systems. The interactions, interplays and relationships going on between us and the system and all the subsystems mean that it's just too complicated to really truly understand. It's almost as if it's a black box. And what do we say about these AI models? They're black boxes. They're too complicated to understand. Coding is only a tiny part of the story, but learning to code is almost everything because it'll give you a sense of the algorithms, like Smiller's sense for snow. Look it up. And you shouldn't be surprised that coding has been automated. There's always been this drive to commoditize the coder or outsource coding. You're the means of production. You're the factory worker. And there's been this drive always to automate the factory. The money men will try their best to make you worth nothing. But that is our new reality. Coding has been automated. It's just such a tiny part of information system engineering. Don't worry. Don't panic. There's lots for you to get your teeth stuck into. And in this new world order, it's really important that we understand what algorithms will emerge from these AI models, that they're the right algorithms, not the wrong algorithms, that the behaviour of the model is going to be safe, and that risks are understood, that we know what we're going to get. That's really difficult. But if you have a sense for the algorithms, consequences are more in your hands than they would otherwise be. And that's important because you're the only one in this equation that understands the consequences. The AI model doesn't understand the consequences. That is up to you.